Hello, welcome back to my channel. We continue to review the textbook, Construction Materials, Methods, and Techniques, Building for a Sustainable Future. This video is about chapter 10, and that's Mortars for Masonry Walls. And we are moving to division 4. So in the previous videos, we're done with division 3, and that was concrete. So now it's masonry. And that's according to, again, CSI master format. So we will discuss division 4, and there'll be unit masonry, stone assemblies, refractory masonry, corrosion resistant masonry. And in chapter 10, what we will learn is the following. So we'll describe the various materials used to produce mortar, then we'll classify the ingredients used to manufacture masonry cements, then we'll identify and cite the uses of the types of standard mortars, then explain the desirable properties of plastic mortar, discuss the properties of quality hardened mortar, and then name the types of frequently used mortar tests, as well as specify how to cure masonry mortar laid in cold weather. Again, please refer to chapter 7, that is concrete, and you'll see the difference between mortar and concrete. Mortar is the bonding agent used to bind masonry units into an integral structure or a wall or a foundation. And in addition to bonding the units together, mortar also seals the spaces between the units so they are not penetrated by air or moisture, and it provides a place to secure steel reinforcement, ties, and anchor bolts into walls. So let's take a look at the mortar composition. So it's cementitious materials, and it can be Portland cement, it can be masonry cement, it can be hydrated lime, blended hydraulic cement, and so on. Then it will be masonry cements, as well as other mortar ingredients. And again, they vary depending on the region, depending on the skills of the mason, and depending on just the practicality of some of the elements. There are a few charts showing the admixtures, and they show benefits and concerns. So please refer to the charts here. And there are a few types of mortar, and those are M, S, N, and O. And again, please refer to the chart and see what type each mortar is used for. When we talk about the sources of mortar, they're available in ready mix, dry batch, and on-site mix. So it again depends on the project and the owner project requirements. Again, a few more charts and diagrams here, and it's all about the composition here. It's all about either it's like lab prepared or if it's done on site. So it's all about ratio, it's all about proportions and the intent of the construction. So there's like a guide for the selection of masonry mortars. It can be for exterior or above grade walls, then exterior at or below grade, and for the interiors, and that can be load bearing walls or non-load bearing partitions. So please refer to the charts to know which type you need to use. And there are a few properties of the mortars, and it is workability, and then water retention. Then when we talk about the properties of hardened mortar, it's bond strength, then durability, compressive strength, rate of hardening. Also, low volume change and appearance matter. So when we talk about colored mortar, there are a few colored pigments that can be added to change the color, as well as there are a few tips and tricks as far as how to use mortar in cold weather and how to use surface bonding mortar. So please refer to all these beautiful charts here, and there are a lot of them here in this chapter 10. So that was it for this chapter. I will see you in chapter 11, and that is all about clay masonry. Thank you so much for watching.